Badoo, how to fix login with Facebook, Google not working on Badoo app. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if the login with Facebook or Google option is not working on the Badoo app. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you're unable to log in with Facebook or Google, the first thing you should always check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily interrupt the login process. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data, or if you're already using mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi and see if that helps. Next, make sure your Badoo app is updated to the latest version. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Badoo, and if you see an update button, tap on it. Many login issues happen because the app version is outdated and not syncing properly with Facebook or Google. Now, another thing you can try is clearing the cache and data of the app. If you're on Android, long press the Badoo app icon and tap on the little I button to open the app info page. From here, go into Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. If that doesn't solve it, you can also tap on Clear Data, but remember this will log you out completely, so make sure you know your login details before doing this. For iOS users, you don't have the Clear Cache option, but you can uninstall the app and then reinstall it. This often fixes hidden glitches and refreshes the login connection. If the issue still continues, it's important to double-check your linked account details. Sometimes the login fails because the Facebook or Google account you're trying to use is not properly linked to your Badoo profile. In that case, try logging in using your phone number or your email address if you had them linked before. This will confirm whether the issue is account-related or just with the social login. So by ensuring a stable internet connection, updating the app, clearing cache and data, and checking your linked accounts, you should be able to fix the login issue with Facebook or Google on Badoo. That's all for the video.